Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to a lot of hearts: emotional cheating. You know, that feeling when your partner's heart seems miles away, even when they're right beside you? We've all been there. And let's be real, emotional cheating can sting just as much as the physical kind. It's about trust, intimacy, and that special bond you share with your person. So if you're feeling a little unsure about what's going on in your relationship, stick around. We're going to break down 5 telltale signs that your partner might be emotionally straying. Stay tuned. Chapter 1. Shh, it's a secret. Okay, first things first. Has your partner suddenly become the Fort Knox of phone security? I'm talking password changes, phone flipping down when you walk by, that kind of thing. It's like their phone went from being a shared photo album of your life together to a top-secret government file. And don't even get me started on the computer. If they're suddenly slamming the laptop shut or switching screens faster than you can say, "Wait, what was that? Houston, we have a problem." Look, I get it. Everyone deserves their privacy. But when your partner's usual MO takes a hard left into secretive city, it's natural to wonder what they're trying to hide. And more importantly, who they're hiding it from. Chapter 2. Hello, is anybody home? You know that feeling when you're trying to have a conversation with your partner, but it's like talking to a brick wall? It's frustrating, isn't it? You pour your heart out, hoping for some kind of response, but all you get is silence or a half-hearted nod. It's like they're there, but not really there. You start to wonder if they even care about what you're saying, or if they're just lost in their own world. And not just any brick wall, but one of those fancy soundproof ones they use in recording studios. The kind that absorbs every word you say, leaving you feeling unheard and invisible. It's a lonely place to be, especially when it's someone you care about deeply. Yeah, that's emotional distance, my friend. It's that invisible barrier that keeps you from truly connecting with your partner. You can see them. Chapter 3. This one time, insert name here. Have you noticed that your partner has developed a new habit of name dropping? It's like every conversation you have now includes this mysterious new person. At first it might seem harmless, even amusing, but then it starts to get a bit odd. And I'm not talking about their favorite celebrity crush. No, this is someone much closer to home. Someone who seems to have suddenly become a significant part of their daily narrative. I'm talking about someone you barely know, someone they work with, someone they met at that thing, you know? It's like this person has become a permanent fixture in their stories, their thoughts, and even their plans. Suddenly, this person's name is popping up in every other sentence. It's almost as if your partner can't go a few minutes without mentioning them. It's insert name here, this. Insert name here, that. Oh, insert name here, loves this restaurant. Or, insert name here, recommended this dish. It's like they're trying to share every little detail about this person with you. Or you wouldn't believe what insert name here said the other day. It's as if insert name here has become the most interesting person in the world, at least according to your partner. It's like they're trying to weave this person into the fabric of your lives, even if it feels totally out of place. You start to wonder, why is this person so important all of a sudden? And listen, I'm all for making new friends and expanding your social circle. It's great to meet new people and have fresh experiences, but there's a balance to be maintained. But when someone's name starts eclipsing yours in your own relationship, that's a red flag waving hello. It's a sign that something might be off, and it's worth paying attention to. After all, your relationship should be about the two of you, not a third party who's suddenly taking center stage. Chapter 4. The Intimacy Ice Age. Okay, let's talk about intimacy. And no, I'm not just talking about the between the sheets kind, although that's definitely a part of it. I'm talking about that overall feeling of closeness, connection, and desire. Remember those early days of your relationship when you couldn't keep your hands off each other? When just a simple touch sent shivers down your spine? Well, if your relationship has entered the intimacy ice age, where cuddles are replaced with shrugs and date nights are replaced with Netflix in separate bedrooms, that's a sign something's gotta give. Because when your partner is emotionally invested elsewhere, it's natural for their physical and emotional intimacy with you to take a nosedive. Chapter 5, Defense Mode activated. Last but not least, let's talk about defensiveness. You know, that knee-jerk reaction to get angry or dismissive whenever you try to bring up your concerns? It's like you're walking on eggshells, afraid to say anything for fear of setting them off. And when you do finally work up the courage to address the elephant in the room, they turn it around on you. You're being too sensitive, they say. You're imagining things. Why are you trying to start a fight? Sound familiar? Look, it's normal for couples to disagree and have different perspectives. But when your partner consistently meets your concerns with a wall of defense, it can be a sign that they're trying to protect themselves, their actions, or maybe even someone else. Trust your gut, listen to your heart. Remember, these are just a few signs, and every relationship is unique. Each relationship has its own dynamics, its own rhythm, and its own set of challenges and joys. What works for one couple might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to find what works for you and your partner, and to nurture that connection with care and understanding. But if you're seeing these patterns in your own relationship, it's important to trust your instincts. Your gut feelings are there for a reason. They are your inner compass guiding you towards what feels right and away from what feels wrong. Ignoring these feelings can lead to more significant issues down the line, so it's crucial to pay attention to them. You know your partner better than anyone. You understand their quirks, their habits, and their ways of expressing love and affection. This deep understanding is a powerful tool in navigating the complexities of a relationship. Use this knowledge to foster a deeper connection and to address any concerns that may arise. And if something feels off, it probably is. Communication is key. Open and honest dialogue is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It allows both partners to express their feelings, share their thoughts, and work through any issues together. Without communication, misunderstandings and resentments can build up, creating a rift between you and your partner. Talk to your partner openly and honestly about how you're feeling. Share your concerns, your hopes, and your dreams. Let them know what's on your mind and how their actions are affecting you. This kind of transparency can help build trust and strengthen your bond. Let them know what you've observed and how it's impacting you. Be specific about the behaviors or patterns that are causing you concern. This clarity can help your partner understand your perspective and work with you to find a solution. And if you're feeling stuck, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide the insight and guidance needed to navigate difficult situations. A therapist can offer tools and strategies to improve communication, resolve conflicts, and strengthen your relationship. A therapist can provide a safe and supportive space for you to navigate these challenges and work towards a healthier, happier relationship. They can help you understand each other better, develop new ways of relating, and build a stronger, more resilient partnership. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice. Your support helps me create more content to help you navigate the complexities of love and relationships. And remember, you deserve a love that feels like home. A love that brings you peace, joy, and fulfillment. See you next time.